right off the bat, this car has a great mixture of sporty feel, but not completely raw and harsh suspension. Now, specific to this model, this 2024, it is a Carrera 4S, and the 4 means that it is all-wheel drive. Let's hear what some downshifts sound like. Now we can take it out of sport mode and out of manual mode, and listen to how quiet it gets. And also, this 911 is equipped with Porsche's PDK transmission, and I gotta say, it is probably the nicest transmission I've ever driven. Has a great feel to it. Has pretty good visibility too. The blind spots are not nearly as bad as I thought they were. They're actually pretty small blind spots considering other cars in general even. And when you get on it, you can even hear a little bit of turbo whistle. Not a lot, but